Welcome to the Vantrue Player User Guide. For a better viewing and playback experience, it is recommended to use Vantrue Player to play the videos when watching HD recordings from your dash cam on a computer. First, please download the Vantrue Player from our official website. Navigate to Support, Download Vantrue Player, and select the latest version of the player. Choose the corresponding download option based on your computer system. Open the Vantrue Player after installation. Click on the folder icon on the right to select the file you wish to check. You can also select multiple files to open simultaneously. On the playback interface, you can view the video footage along with GPS signal, speed, latitude, longitude, and other related information. This section displays the current GPS track of the vehicle. This section shows the G-sensor data of the vehicle while driving. This section indicates the current speed. Here, you'll find information such as average speed, maximum speed, latitude and longitude, and distance traveled. In addition to viewing video information, there are various settings available for the player. Click this icon to sort the opened videos. Clicking this icon lets you adjust corresponding settings according to your usage habits and different models. By selecting different speed units and latitude/longitude modes, you can switch between various display formats. Changes can be viewed in this section. Map. When GPS data is not displaying, it may be due to not switching to the appropriate map network. You can try switching maps here. If GPS data still does not show after switching, it may be because the dash cam's GPS is turned off. It could also be due to the fact that the name of the original file was altered or it was compressed during the export process, leading to the loss of GPS data. Additionally, GPS signals will not be played or displayed when the vehicle is driving in a tunnel or an area with no GPS signal. Playback performance. After switching playback performance, you will need to restart the player for the changes to take effect. The player will switch to a more optimized playback performance based on the video file's properties. Play mode. You can choose the corresponding playback mode based on the number of lenses for different models. For example, with the N5's 4 lenses, if you select single-channel playback, it will only display one camera footage. If choosing quad-channel playback, you can view all 4 camera footages simultaneously. During playback, you can click on the camera footage to switch between them. Please note that multi-channel playback may cause your computer to run slower. File save path. Once you set the file save path, screenshots and edited videos will be stored in that folder. Click this icon to clear the playlist. This icon enlarges the video for easier detail viewing, and this icon returns the enlarged video to its original size. Please note that the icons for zooming in and out will only appear if you have set the playback performance to performance priority. If you choose to prioritize smooth playback, you won't be able to select zoom in or zoom out options. This icon is for taking video screenshots. This icon is for video editing. By clicking on it, you can perform basic editing on the video and save your changes. You can adjust the relevant parameters for editing the video as needed. Clicking this icon lets you adjust the brightness, color, and other aspects of the video. You can click Reset to restore the original settings. This icon indicates list loop playback. Click it to switch to single loop playback. Click this icon to play the previous video. Click this icon to pause and play the current video, and click this icon to play the next video. This icon adjusts the volume of the current video. This icon enables variable speed playback. Clicking this icon allows the current video to be played in full screen. And you can press the escape key to exit full screen. This icon indicates the panoramic view mode, which is only applicable for playing E360 panoramic videos. Please note that you must confirm that the playback mode has been changed to performance priority. When selecting E360 panoramic videos, you can switch between different playback modes. In panoramic view mode, the video cannot be dragged in tile mode, but in the other 4 modes, you can drag the video in different directions for viewing. 1. Dual window playback. 2. Multi-window playback. 3. Quad grid playback. 4. 360 degrees panoramic playback. The above includes all the instructions for the Vantrue Player.